Hey guys, welcome into this edition of Culinary Class. It's been a while, and usually I give you the name of the episode, but I'm gonna keep it a little suspenseful, even though it'll probably be in the title of the YouTube video that you will be watching, if you're actually watching it. So I've been busy with work, celebrating our fiscal year end, which was March 31st. It's been 2-3 months, and I really hadn't had many ideas on what to cook. I took off today. I was going to do some yard work, but God sent rain yesterday and today, and thank God it's been canceled. But I also went to visit my mom in the nursing home, and I was looking around the room that they're in, just the open area, and they have an event calendar. And on every Friday, they have a cooking class. So I was looking at it, and today, well, for one, I'm not sure why I've yet to be invited. Maybe they don't know I'm a really good cook. I don't know. But I'm not really that offended. But today, what they're going to learn is fried bologna. And I was sitting there thinking, who would fry bologna? Surely people don't just pan sear it and serve it with breakfast, lunch, and supper, would they? But me being from Tennessee, I was going to ask the Google, how do you fry bologna? But me being from Tennessee, I know how to fry stuff. So what I'm going to do, this is going to be a kind of a unique episode. I'm not going to actually show me cooking because I don't want to move the camera. But what I got here, I've got some flour and some. I'm going to spice it however you want. I'm going to spice it with some cayenne pepper and some black pepper, maybe. Not much. There's not really much in there, but yeah, this has to be what they mean by fried bologna. I mean, you just put a batter on it, right? And this flour is actually, I'm kind of mixing it up, getting it everywhere. That's fine. The wife will clean it up later. She'll be mad, but it'll get cleaned up. I like stuff spicy, so I am putting a lot in there, and I actually put too much flour for just one piece of bologna, I'm guessing. I don't know. I'll be back in just a second. I'm going to turn the heat on the thing, and I'm actually using olive oil, so hopefully it'll fry it right. But yeah, I mean, this has to be, I mean, it's obviously a delicacy somewhere. Sounds good. I just never thought about frying bologna before. So yeah, this might be really spicy. But all I'm going to do, I'm just going to depend on its moisture probably to do whatever. I don't know how long it's going to cook, but I will have a tasting afterwards. I really want a lot of, and the flour is left over. I was going to do St. Patrick's Day stuff, and I think going to make a bread or something, because I never make bread, but about 2 months too late for that. But yeah, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to go in there, batter it up. I'll probably have to edit this out, but I'll let you see the finished product. All right, hey guys, welcome back to this edition of Culinary Class. That didn't turn out the way I thought it would, so maybe that's why they have a class on it. But I would recommend just using some spray stuff and probably slicing the bologna. I didn't slice it. I know to do that, but I didn't. It didn't get much crust, and I would recommend spraying it on each side to get it more moist. Maybe I should have used an egg. I didn't, but I'm going to do a taste test. There isn't much crust. I could probably perfect it, but I'm not going to, because I'm going to go back to just pan searing it like you're supposed to. But I mean, it's okay. It's got some heat from the cayenne pepper. It's still temperature hot, but I just stick with pan searing it. Maybe throwing some cayenne on it too. It is pretty hot, but I'm no culinary expert, but I can cook sometimes. Until next time, see you.